Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to remove grouping and sorting in the downloads folder, then watch this video. So folks, in the new version of Windows, I think after 2007, they have changed this grouping by the date modified type and the size. So if you want to change it, you go to sort and you can click group by the say tags or the title, and now it will change into a title. So you can also sort it by say authors, and that should completely change Microsoft's unspecified and so forth and so on. Then you need to go to the three buttons here, go to the options tab and click on the view panel. Then you need to click to apply to all folders, and this should stay permanently on your computer until you change it. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.